Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix like button on Facebook page. To start the process, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Here, tap on your profile, then tap on caret icon. Now tap on your page. After that, go to your profile. Then tap on your profile page. Here, tap on the three dots. Now tap on Edit Action Buttons. After that, tap on Edit Buttons. Now remove the option of Message. Then unmark the option of Message. Now go back and refresh your page. As you can see, the like button is now visible on the profile. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.